Hello all, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. I am Keshav, full stack development trainer at Harsha Trainings. We started a new batch for full stack development and today we conducted first regular session. In that session we started with the front end development and today we have discussed about how to create a first web page with the help of HTML. We did that. So the guys, whoever have missed the session, don't worry. You'll be getting the recorded session. You can call to the number displayed on the video. You can get it. And for first 1 week like that, we will be having 1 hour session. And after that, we will be extending the time. And the people whoever have missed the sessions, my suggestion is try not to miss the sessions, guys. Try to be regular. It will be very helpful for you. Try not to miss the sessions. All the very best, guys.